Yes, I'm Jasmine Renee Davis, and I am calling. I want you to send me some information. Um,
yourself regarding any. So I know that I can definitely send you the decision. I would have to double check with the coordinator if getting the rest of it would require an open records request or not.
well, it
Just
shouldn't all
have
be
this on
together,
record
like as a whole
because there's so
file.
much traffic through here right now,
Yes, we do
and
have
I
a
don't need
file, but
any
I would have to double check
mess.
if we can release that right
Oh, okay,
now,
okay.
where I could just send you a copy of the decision today, or if how to get the rest of your file otherwise.
Right, but I'm saying like for you all to, I mean that should be a whole file. Yeah, it is would be a whole file. That's what I'm saying. I would like the whole file.
Okay. So I would have to double check with the like regular coordinator how that would work.
I can hold the phone while you ask.
So she is out of the office until tomorrow.
What's the name of that person?
Her name is Lindsay Bear.
Okay. And so you don't. What is your position there?
I'm a paralegal, but I provide support on rehabilitation reviews
Because I had called the coordinator's phone, so is there a reason why you were calling me instead of the coordinator?
because I'm monitoring the coordinator's mailbox today.
Okay, so that's why I'm wondering if you don't have the information. Then that's why I'm trying to figure out how could you monitor, and just actually make the phone calls and not know how to properly reply to what I'm saying.
So, what I can do today is I can send you a copy of your decision. I just have to check on the rest of the materials before I send that to you.
Wait, I didn't hear what you said exactly. Can you say what you said? You said
I
you.
can send you a copy of the decision that you received back in 2021 or 2022 is what I'm seeing. I could send you that today, but I do not know about the rest of the file, and that's what I need to check on.
Oh, okay. Did you say something about typing something?
No,
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It sounded like you said that you would have to type up something or type something or something you probably said, but that's what you said that you have to check on it. I'm
yep,
Jasmine Renee Davis. I'm Jasmine Renee Davis.
yep. I would just have to check with I would have to check with Lindsay about regarding releasing the rest of the file. But I can send you a copy of your decision today if you wish.
And so, what would prohibit me from accessing my file?
I don't know. I'm not an attorney.
Is Lindsay an attorney?
No.
So, who is the attorney that I talk to then?
So you may have to file an open records request for your rehabilitation review file.
But what does that have to do with an attorney?
An attorney reviews the information that can be released.
What attorney would that be?
It depends. We have a rotation.
Okay, I want to speak to that person, please.
Unfortunately, I can't release that information unless you want to file an open records request.
Oh, I definitely can, but this is the thing. Anything that has my name on it, I can get access to. You cannot withhold any of my information, no matter what it is. It's mine. And so I know that I can get all of my information. And so how can an attorney tell me what would you all be taking? Or, I mean, if it's anything about me, then why would you keep any of my information from me?
We're not trying to, but you would still need to file an open records request because there are different departments that have different information
What do you
that
mean?
that are the holder of a record. So, say if you are involved, like if you had court documents, let's say, like if you were hypothetically, if there was a criminal case, they are the holders of that record. We cannot release those records as a department. Even if we have them, we cannot release those. We can only release records that we have created.
And that's what I'm asking you for. The records that the rehabilitation review process did create.
Okay. I mean, as of today, at least all I've known is I can send you a copy of your decision, but I don't know what else I can send to you. So I would just like to confer with Lindsay from here, and then we can contact you back.
You said that you have some. What do you see there that is mine from, and what is the date from 2022 that you're seeing?
Can you confirm possibly what your mailing address would have been at that time?
You know what? I don't know. It's probably a post office box. I did not have a permanent residence at that time. But you
Okay.
did say that you had something, so without you confirming it, so how would you know that it was mine? I'm
Well,
Jasmine Renee Davis. Is there another? I can answer another question though.
do you know what city
Yes, city for
the
what?
PO box would have been in?
What did you say?
What city would the PO box have been in? Do you know? Do you remember?
It's not a matter of me remembering. It's about accuracy. And if you don't have a post office box listed there, I'm not going to answer a question about a post office box.
I mean, I do have a PO box. I just wanted to double check and see because I have a Jasmine Davis. I just want to make sure it's the right I was making an assumption.
You did, and so then you told me that it wasn't actually 2021, it was actually 2022. You corrected me and didn't know for sure if you were accurate in correcting me.
Well, because I don't have a record for you from 2021.
Okay, and it could have very well been 2022, but then maybe you don't have a record at all if you didn't confirm that it was me, actually. That's all I'm saying.
Okay.
So, there is a post office box in Summers, Wisconsin.
Okay. Yep, that's correct.
And so I just want to validate that I don't have that same address, so you would have to send it to a different address.
Yeah, I can send that to you at a different address. That's not a problem.
Okay, and so can you send me an email outlining the requirements to get the review, and then I can reply with the exact address. It's a mailing address, and it's Racine, Wisconsin. But I want to today make sure that everything that you're saying is just accurate information, so I can know what to look forward to, what is all going to be included, and what you can mail out today.
So I attach a copy of your decision today
Okay,
to
can
this.
you email me and just make sure you just outline that, and then I can reply with the exact, so that I can have a receipt of my requests as well, please. I know that I can get that. I know that you can email me. I know that I can get that, and then that's what I'm asking for right now.
So just to clarify, do you want me to send you a copy of your decision in this first email to you? Yes or no?
I want you to send it through to physical mail. You can also email it to me. Yes, I would like you to email it to me, but I also you can email it to me now. Yes. But that's not all I want. I want the whole file.
Okay. And then okay, sounds good.
I'm
I will
Jasmine Renee Davis.
double, okay. And then so the email that I have from your voicemail is jasminereneedavis.law at hotmail.com. Is that correct?
Yeah, I said period law, but yes. Now, this is another issue. I want you to know that I did request I wanted just the validation of me applying, like all that was listed, like the dates of the meeting, like when I applied, what I wrote in the application process, just all of that information. I want the all the supporting documentation of the results of the process. I want all the information, and I just want to make sure that you're sure or not whether you can send that. If you send some information to me now, that's not going to say, well, you just sent me it today, so you don't have to send me anything else. Just go ahead and just tell her to go through opens request, so you don't have to send it. I know that you still could send that information. And so They do it every time. These motherfuckers, they can't handle any intelligent person. They want to sit here and steal people's lives. That's the only job that they have. Is to abuse people. Nobody can say anything to them. They want to talk that shit because they got something. Bitch, you are nothing without my information. Do you understand that? Go find another motherfucking job that does not include slavery, oppression, and all the other bullshit. Because I didn't say anything for that stupid ass motherfucker to fight me like that. And then she gonna try to make it seem like I did not call who I said. I'm just saying, if you call tomorrow, I also want to talk to the other coordinator. What the fuck is the problem? I'm Jasmine Renee Davis.